Hello everybody, welcome to another packet tracer tutorial, and today I will be talking to you about configuring VLANs. Okay, as usual we have our addressing table just here, and the objectives are to verify the default VLAN configuration, configure VLANs, assign VLANs to ports. Okay, so part 1, step 1. Okay, display current VLANs. On S1, issue the command that will display all VLANs configured. By default, all interfaces are assigned to VLAN 1. Okay, so let's have a look. So from S1, we are going to issue a command. So enable, we say show VLAN. Okay, brief. Okay, so you can see VLAN and all these ports are assigned to it. Okay, and that is that. And then we move on to step 2, verify connectivity between PCs on the same network. So PC1 can ping PC4, PC2 can ping PC5, PC3 can ping PC6. Okay, so they are in the same network. For instance, PC1 is on 10 and PC4 is on 10. Okay, PC2 is on 20 and PC5 is on 20. Okay, so the PCs that are on the same network, they can ping each other. So let's have a look. Okay, so PC1, command prompt, ping, okay, 172.17.10.24. Okay, so this address here. Okay, so as you can see, ping was successful. Move on to PC2. Okay, desktop, command prompt, ping. Okay, so 172.17.20.25. Enter. Yeah, again successful. On to PC3. Okay, desktop, command prompt, drag it down. Ping 172.17.30.26. So this address here we're looking at. Okay, enter. Again successful. Okay, now it says ping to PCs in other network fails. So let's have a look. Let's start from PC1. Let's try to ping PC5, for instance, because they're in the same different network. So we'll say 20. Okay, so 25. Yeah. So this address here we're pinging. Yeah. Ping. And as you can see, that is going to time out. Okay, so request timed out. That's because they're not on the same network. Okay, so let's just exit that, and then it says what benefit will configuring VLANs provide to the current configuration. Okay, so basically the purpose of VLANs it's to prevent broadcast storm, so that only PCs that are on the same VLANs can communicate. Okay, so that is that. And then now we're on to part 2, step 1. Okay, create and name VLANs on S1. Okay, so create the following VLANs. Names are case sensitive. Yeah, so we are going to create the following. Okay, so VLAN 10 will be assigned to faculty of staff, faculty/staff. Yeah, so let's start from S1, which is switch 1, this one here. So CLI enable, okay, config T, okay, we say VLAN 10, enter, and name, okay, faculty, so faculty/staff, okay, VLAN 20, enter, name, and that will be students. Okay, enter. Okay, VLAN 30, enter, and that will be guest. So this one's here, guest. bracket, open bracket, so default, capital D, and then fault, yeah. Close bracket. So first is supposed to have name here, otherwise that will just print out error. Okay. So now enter. Yeah. And then VLAN 99, enter, name, management, and native, enter. So now that's done. So step 1 done. Okay. Let's just quickly verify this. So end. Okay. Show VLAN brief. Yeah. Okay, so what we configured, there we go. So this is what we just configured. Okay, so that's successful. Click out of that. Okay. So which command will display on will only display the VLAN name, status, and associated ports on a switch. So that's the command that I just showed you. So which is the show and show VLAN brief. That's what it will do. Okay. So step 3, create the VLANs on S2 and S3. So using the same command from step 1, create and name the same VLANs on S2 and S3. So basically we are going to repeat step 1 but using switch 1 and switch 2. Switch 2 and switch 3. Okay. So switch 2, go on CLI, enter, enable, config T. Okay, and then we can say VLAN 10. Okay, name, faculty, / staff. Okay, VLAN 20, enter, name, students. Okay, so again, like I said earlier, we're repeating this but on a different switch, of course. Yeah. Okay, so just make sure you guys skipping up. So VLAN 30, enter, name, so guess default, yeah. So capital G UEST. Okay, for default. Okay, close bracket, enter. Okay, and then you have again VLAN 9, enter, name, management, and native. Okay, so enter. Okay, so that is S1 completed, so we end this. Okay, this says show VLAN brief. Okay, there you go. So this is what we just configured. Okay, click out of that. Again, we're going to switch 3, CLI, enable. Okay, config T. Okay, and say VLAN 10, enter, name, faculty / staff, enter. Okay, and I say VLAN 20, enter, name, students. Okay, enter. So VLAN 30, enter, name, guess, open bracket, capital default. Yeah. So enter. Okay, and we say VLAN 99. Okay, we say name, management, and native. Enter. So that's now complete. So we exit that and then we just say show VLAN brief. Okay, and then we can see. There we go. That's now configured. So now part 3. Okay. So step 4, we done it because we verified that the VLAN's configuration is actually working. Okay, so now we're on to part 3. Okay, assign VLANs to ports. Okay, step 1, assign the VLANs to the following ports. Okay, so that's on S2, yeah. So switch 2, we're going to assign the following. We're going to do the following on switch 2. So switch 2. Okay, CLI, we say config T. Okay, we say int int FAO/11. Okay, switch port mode access. Enter. Okay, switch port access VLAN 10. So this port here, we are assigning it to VLAN 10, yeah? Okay, so enter. And then again 18, so this port here, port 18. Okay, switch port mode access. Okay, VLAN 20 this time, yeah. Okay, and then go back again. So now port 6, yeah. Enter. Switch port mode access, and then VLAN 30. Okay, so now that's now complete. So we just end. Okay, we say show brief. Sorry, show VLAN brief. Okay, we can see that those are assigned to these ports here. You see, so on S2, yeah, switch to this port has been assigned to the VLANs accordingly. Okay, now we can do the same thing, but on switch 3. It says S3 uses the same VLAN access ports assignment as S2. Okay, so it's talking about this line here, yeah. So because the GO/2 and that's GO/2, they are using this line here, so it doesn't really matter if you decide to configure this one or decide to configure this one, it still work. Okay, but in this exercise they are asking us to configure switch 3. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, that's 3, so we just say config T. Okay, we're going to do exactly the same thing, so say int FAO/11. Enter. Then we're going to say switch port mode access. Okay, so access VLAN 10. Okay, so this is exactly what we've done before but on switch 2, yeah. We are now repeating on switch 3 now. Okay, so then we say switch port mode access. Okay, now access VLAN 20. Yeah, there we go. And then we say FAO /18. Sorry, wrong port. So we say 6. So this one here now, yeah, because we done all those ones. Now we're here. We're here now. Okay, just so that you guys don't get confused. So there we go. And then we say again switch port mode access. Enter. Okay. Now this time VLAN 30. Yeah? So you have 10, 20, and 30. Yeah. So those VLANs assigned to ports accordingly. Yeah. Okay. So now let's just end this. Okay. Now we're gonna verify. So show VLAN brief. Okay. And now we can see that those VLANs they've been assigned to these ports here. Okay, so that's not working. And then the other thing is now saying verify loss of connectivity. So before we could PC1 could ping PC4. Okay, previously PCs that shared the same network could ping each other successfully. Try pinging between PC1 and PC4. Although the access ports are assigned to the appropriate VLANs, were the ping successful? Why? What could be done to solve this issue? Okay, so let's just quickly try that again. Done before, so this is the address for this PC here. So before you could ping this, right? But now let's have a look. Well, no, we can't because it's timing out. Okay, so you're gonna exit out of that. Okay, we're gonna fix it. Okay, so basically we're gonna issue trunking mode. Yeah, we're gonna trunk it. So we say config T. Sorry, config T. We then say switch port. No, sorry, my bad. So we specify the interface first. So GO. So int GO/1. Okay, enter. And then we say switch port mode access. Okay, and that is going to be switch port mode trunk. Okay, now this line is restarting, and once that restarts, then we're good to go. Okay, so let's exit out of that. So S3. Okay, again we say config T. Okay, we say int GO/2. So this interface is GO/2. Yes. Okay, enter. Okay, then we say so we say switch port mode trunk. Okay, again, there you go, that's restarting. So let's just quickly have a look. As soon as that's finished, then we can try pinging again. So from PC1, we are going to try pinging PC4. Okay, so ping. Okay, so the address of PC4 is 172.17.2 10.24. Okay, so there we go. That's that PC here, and enter. Yep, and there we go. Now the connection is all good. So the reason why there was loss of connectivity, because although PC1 and PC4 were in the same VLAN or in the same network, but because we haven't done the trunking, which is like kind of specifying the path in which this computer here can see this computer on the other end. Okay, so they couldn't communicate. So all we did was just specify the path. Okay, so we just said where is the connectivity. So then now they can ping each other. Okay, so this pretty much concludes this tutorial. So thank you very much, guys, and if you guys have any comments, feel free to leave them below, and I'll hopefully see you guys at the next tutorial. Thank you.